Strong branding is important because it helps your current and future audience recognize you. Now, you may not be a large company with a brand design team, but that doesn't mean you shouldn't think about branding. Branding matters because it helps you set apart yourself from your competitors and bring a unique personality to your business. It helps you connect with your customers, allows you to communicate your value to your audience and those customers, and helps build credibility. And plain old simply, it makes you recognizable. One brand exercise you can do is think how you differentiate from your competitors and use that difference to build a brand from. With that in mind, here's 5 steps to creating a high converting branded landing page. Step 1, be super clear on your target audience. The more niche, the better. Finding your niche is crucial to building a branded landing page. In this case, we're going to build a landing page targeted at people that are gardening and learning to cook from the things that they garden. Step 2, establish your brand design guidelines. Establish things like brand color and things like logos. With Aweber, you can use Canva built right inside to build a logo in seconds and add it to your landing page. Step 3, link your landing page to your custom domain. If you already have a website set up, you can use Aweber landing pages and create a custom domain so people can easily find the landing page you create inside of Aweber, especially if they're familiar with your website. Step 4, embed content that share your brand story. Using the smart content element, add things like a YouTube playlist and share your already created content with your landing page visitors. Step 5, make sales directly on your landing page. With your brand landing page, now is the perfect setup to offer your product or service. Using e-commerce within Aweber landing pages helps you easily set up so people can visit your landing page and buy your product. Let Aweber help build your brand. Sign up today, it's absolutely free.